Hey guys, my rear left tire started slowly losing air pressure over the days. I was pretty sure that we have run into some nails or screws again. Few years ago, I've started repairing my tire punctures myself. It's an easy procedure, you'll just need a special kit for this job. Let's leave the car to be able to turn the wheel. Use a spray bottle filled with water to find the puncture place. Here is the first one. And here is the second. Here is the kit we need, and it's quite cheap. Firstly, I will mark the areas not to lose them. Then I will remove the nails or whatever there is. Now we need to drain the air from the tire. It will be easier to use the tools. Firstly, use the reamer tool to make the hole bigger. Now insert the patch into the needle tool and squeeze it into the hole. Then just pull the tool out. Now cut the excess of the patch. Inflate the tire to the required pressure and test your work. Looks good. You can check this video how to retrofit the tire pressure sensors into a BMW X3. Thanks for watching.